Welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrata. Today we'll start now worksheet 6, subject social science, class 7th. Write your name, write your class teacher name. This worksheet topic is environment. Environment, your chapter first, geography and hydrosphere. Next, before 5 worksheet, we have learned that what is environment and what is a lithosphere, and today we'll start hydrosphere. Hydrosphere dominoes of the referred to as hydrosphere. It comparison viable sources of the water and different types of water bodies like river and lakes, sea, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms because 73% human body required water because water is essential for all living organisms. Water are equal in the three states: solid, ice, liquid, and gas, vapor. And let's begin to questions. Where and it, what form have you seen the water? Write about it. And the lakes, river, sea are available in a form ice, liquid, gas. Okay. And second question: do you think water is essential for all living organisms? Give reason. Let's go. Answer is, and water is regulate the temperature of the body. Its help is transporting nutrients to different parts of use body and removing and the waste material from the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us harmful rays and sourcing heats of the sun. It consists of the number of gases, dust, and water vapor. Learning by doing. We see various insects in atmosphere like flying of aeroplane, flying of birds, twinkling in stars. Make a list such as insects and explain the importance of atmosphere, and let us know. The earth is the air in the earth's atmosphere is made up of approximately 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Air also has small amounts of other gases such as carbon dioxide, neon, and hydrogen, etc. Layers of atmosphere: exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, extrosphere, or thermosphere. And plants and animals kingdom together make a biosphere of or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each earth to support life. Lithosphere and hydrosphere and the atmosphere. It is combination of a biosphere. Okay, what do you understand biosphere? What to do? And let go. This answer is it is it is narrow zone of, यहाँ तक आप लिख लेते कि name of the 5 layers of atmosphere. write here name. Okay, exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere and troposphere. And I'm doing so, this is a layer of atmosphere. Okay, that is worksheet is complete. And please my videos like it, and please subscribe my channel. Bye, and share my channel please.